early season. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. We are just back from the Kananaskis. Today we did the Fullerton trail. We haven't done whole loop, but we just went to the second viewpoint and then came back because this was our first hike while it's snowing and with lots of snow on the ground. But it's like pure magic. In terms of this trail, it's around 6.5 kilometer if you do whole loop. But we just started clockwise and just went to the second viewpoint. So it was around 4 kilometer return for us. And I think second viewpoint is the best viewpoint from this hike. We have done this hike in summer, and based on that, I can say that the second viewpoint is the best viewpoint. That's all about this hike. But if you are thinking to go for hiking when it's snowing and when there is a lot of snow on the ground, I would highly suggest you to do that. You will never forget that experience. It was really magical. If you like this video, please do support and subscribe my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.